Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to put Google form responses into a spreadsheet. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to go and be opening up the official Google Forms website right here at docs.google.com/forms. This is the main URL that you want to open up. Once you have opened it up, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where in the upper right corner we can get started with logging into our account. If you do not already have a Google account, what you can do is sign up for one. If you have one, you can just go ahead and log in normally. So once you're logged in, now we can get started. You'll be greeted by the main page right here, where we can take a look at the blank form option that we can use to start a new form. We have the recent form section where we can take a look at the forms we have already created and so on. And now let's go and take a look at how we can download all the responses and put them into a spreadsheet in Excel or wherever we prefer. So basically what you're going to do is open up your form from which you want to go ahead and manage your responses from. If you do not already have a form, you can just create it from here. By opening up the create form option, is going to give you the option to create your form from which you can then send to people and gather responses. As you can see, I already have created a tutorial form right here for a video where I have a question with some answers, and now I can go ahead and manage my responses. So basically guys, here at the top of the page we have the responses tab. This is going to enable me to open it up and take a look at all the responses I have to my form. Currently I have 0 responses, but if you have any responses, they're going to be appearing right here. So how do you go ahead and put them into a spreadsheet? As you can see guys, here immediately you have a button that says link to sheets. This is going to enable you to send your responses to a spreadsheet. If you want to do it manually and not via the button, you can click the 3 dots right here. This is going to enable you to download all the responses into a CSV file. This is going to enable you to then input it into a spreadsheet wherever you prefer. So you have multiple options right here and can manage them all right here from the responses tab. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.